No matter how you shop, whether online or offline, you will find many financing options. No-cost EMI including other financing options are available. And one name that you must have often come across is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is such a company where both the consumers and the investors are happy. You might ask how. So the first thing is that this company provides you finance for purchases. And secondly, Bajaj Finance has given strong returns to the investors. An estimate of the return can be found, for instance, if 20 years ago you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Bajaj Finance, then in today's date, this money would have become 10 crore rupees. So today we will talk about the entire business of Bajaj Finance and the returns from its shares. The foundation of this company was laid on March 25, 1987 as Bajaj Auto Finance. Then in April 2007, Bajaj Group laid the foundation of Bajaj Finserv after demerger from Bajaj Auto to focus on financial services business. Now coming to 1994, the company launched IPO at an issue price of 90 rupees. In 1998, Bajaj Finance got the status of NBFC. In 2014, the company entered the housing finance business. In 2016, Bajaj Finance launched the facility of EMI finance for retail, fashion, travel and small appliances. Today, Bajaj Finance is the country's largest and diversified NBFC. As on 31st March 2022, the company has an AUM of 1.97 lakh crore and 3,504 locations. The company has more than 1.33 lakh distribution points. A record 90 lakh new customers were added in financial year 2022. It has a total of 3.27 crore cross-sell customers. The total customer base is 5.75 crore. In the fourth quarter of 2021-22, the company added 22.1 lakh new customers. The company is mainly in the business of financing of individuals and SMEs. Apart from this, the company is also engaged in the business of housing finance and stockbroking. Now let's see the performance of the company's stock. So in the last few years, the company has made its investors rich. However, the stock of the company is currently trading well below its 52-week high, and this raises the question whether there is an opportunity to invest money in the company currently. So now let's take a look at the triggers related to the stock which can decide its way forward. So the first thing is that the company has no plans of becoming a bank for 2 to 3 years. That is, the company wants to remain as an NBFC. The company's focus is on payments and financial services business and aims to have 10 crore customers in 5 years. The company is preparing to launch the Bajaj Mall brand with EMI stores on July 1st, and it is also making huge investments in teams and technology for business transformation. At the same time, there is a focus on growth despite the increasing competition, and this is the reason why the company's profit has increased by 80% in the fourth quarter to reach a record of 2,420 crore. The biggest thing is that in most segments, the business of the company has reached the pre-COVID level or even better. The company's liquidity buffer has also reached the pre-COVID level, that is 10,110 crore. Now Bajaj Finance competes with other companies in the NBFC segment. The company seems to be on a strong footing in this competition. Let's also find out what is the opinion of the brokers on the company. You can see what the brokers have to say. Moving on to what Money9 suggests. Due to political uncertainty, inflation, rising rates, the shares of banks and NBFCs have fallen significantly. Make a gradual buying strategy in the stock from a long-term perspective with the help of a financial advisor.